Dear viewers, earlier I have uploaded 2 slides with respect to and the topic on uh, health tips. Health tips is very important topic, and I am uploading the slides on this topic and subtitles on different topic. So subtitle on these slides was benefit of eating banana. So you have to go through all the slides and you have to listen to me and you have to read all the slides carefully. Thank you very much. These are very useful for the children's knowledge also. So you please share it to them. मोहतरम सामीन, इस स्लाइड में मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगा कि हाजमे के क्या फ़वायद होते हैं केले खाने से और कितने केले खाना चाहिए और किस तरह से खाना चाहिए और किस तरह कौन से केले खाने चाहिए. Dear viewers, in this slide we will discuss about the digestive and gut health benefits of eating banana. So please go through all the slides. I am not going to speak too much so that time should not be wasted. But you have to go through the pictures and you have to read the slides. These slides are in Urdu as well as in English. Why in both the English languages? Because few people needs to hear the slides in Urdu and few people in English. So I think that you will appreciate it. Thank you very much. तो सामाइन व नाज़रीन, इस स्लाइड में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि दिल की सेहत और वज़न कंट्रोल करने के लिए केले खाना किस तरह से मुफीद हैं और दिल की धड़कन, ब्लड प्रेशर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल और पेट में ग़िज़ाइयत जाने के एहसासात और वज़न कम करने के मुख्तलिफ फ़वायद इन केले खाने से हासिल होते हैं. तो इन स्लाइड्स में इस स्लाइड में हम डिस्कस ये कर रहे हैं. Dear viewers, we are going to discuss in this slide about the heart health and weight control. Potassium helps to maintain the heart rhythm, and it reduces the blood pressure also, controls the cholesterol also, and bananas help feel everyone very full longer and feels comfortable. They support the health. The banana support the health, weight management. If your weight is bulky and you are feeling that you have to reduce your health, so please eat banana. सामाइन, ये आखिरी स्लाइड है. इसमें तवानाई के और इंसानी मूड के, इंसानी हरकत के और एहतियातें जो हैं उसके लिए कुछ जिक्र किया गया है. मुख्तसर से स्लाइड्स होते हैं मेरे, मुख्तसर बयान होता है, तो आप लोग इनको पढ़ लिया करें ज़रूर और अपने बच्चों को ज़रूर इसको मुंतकिल करें, उनको नॉलेज दें. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. In energy, mood and precautions of eating banana. Bananas actually gives the energy and energy, even hard working, exercise and laborious working. They reduces the muscle cramps. Actually, I was having the muscle cramps sometimes, but since I have started eating banana, I got relief from that. Tryptophan improves the mood of to get the sleep, comfortable sleep also. Memory of brain memory is also improved of eating bananas. You can try, you can experience it. Diabetes people like me, like others, like you, should take very much precautions. Don't eat much bananas, only limited quantity of banana. I am taking only 2 bananas a day. one at about 11 o'clock in the morning, and one if I am working at 11 o'clock in the night. So I have experience eating banana gives me relief from my mood, from my digestion, from my memory and all that. So I request you to please follow these instructions, follow these lines which I have written for you and uploaded to you. Thank you very much.